Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the magic tools on your selfies, such as changing your face width, shape of your chin, nose, lip size, and so on. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should either tap on the camera button to take a picture with your phone, or click on the library option to select a picture from your gallery. After that, you should tap on the retouch button down below and then click on magic. As you can see, the first option is the smooth option that you can use by positioning this point to the scale on the scale. Then you can change the face width by using the scale again, the shape of your chin, your nose size, lip size, so you can make it bigger by sliding to the right side of this scale. And basically that's it. So click on the check mark icon if you are satisfied with the result, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.